Welcome to NobelBiz webinars.
Any key nuggets of, insight that you can provide for those that are supervisors or those who today have a group of supervisors in their contact center to be more successful?
Yeah, just to kind of go back over it, I think number one, having a genuine care about your agents, the people that report to you, is important. You should feel that your primary role there is to help them accomplish their job, not just be their boss. In fact, I used to hate being called that word because I didn't see myself as that. I was just a guy that did this job really well, and now I want to help you do it. That was kind of how I saw that role. Training is so important. Having a clear training plan. I think we talked about turnover. One of the biggest times you're going to see you start noticing if something's wrong is turnover of new hires. When people get hired and they come in and they don't have the resources, or they don't feel comfortable with what they're doing or how they're saying, or they feel uncomfortable on the phone because they don't know what to say next and things like that, they'll just disappear. They'll just stop coming. Everybody knows about the ghosting in the call center industry. People will be there one day and just gone the next. So it's important that, just something as simple as making sure that you greet your team every morning, making sure that you acknowledge them when they come in. Hey, John. Hey, Susie. Hey, how you doing? Things like that go so far. You wouldn't believe. And if you can start the agent's day out like that, they're going to go into the phones with a smile on their face. And we always say, you can definitely hear a smile over the phone. So I think that stuff is really important. These people, they need to feel appreciated. They need to feel like you genuinely care about them. That doesn't mean that we get caught up in all the drama. And yeah, sometimes we have to send them to HR for that stuff. But we want to be someone that's going to be there to help them and motivate them and show them that.